Welcome. If you're looking to boost your privacy or simply want to stop Google Drive from accessing your camera, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable camera access for the Google Drive app on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. You can usually find the settings icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap it to open. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps, or it might be called App Management depending on your device. Tap on it to view the list of all your installed applications. Now in the list of apps, scroll until you find Google Drive. Once you spot it, tap on the Google Drive app to open its specific settings. Inside the Google Drive app settings, look for the option called Permissions. This section controls what features and data the app can access on your device. Tap on Permissions to continue. Here, you'll see a list of different permission categories. Find Camera in the list and tap on it. You'll be given a few options for how the app can use your camera. To block camera access, select Don't Allow or Deny, depending on what your phone displays. And that's it. You've successfully disabled camera access for Google Drive. From now on, the app won't be able to use your camera unless you come back and change this setting. Taking control of your app permissions is a great way to protect your privacy and make sure your phone is only sharing what you're comfortable with. If you ever need to re-enable camera access, just follow these same steps and choose Allow instead. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more quick and easy tech tips. See you in the next video.